What's going on, everyone? I am standing in this 2022 Cougar 368 MBI. It has an overall length of 39 feet 4 inches and comes out weighing just over 11,800 pounds. So we're going to start on the inside towards your kitchen living room space. Next to your front door entrance is your booth dinette. This will convert into another sleeping spot for 1 to 2 people. And then you also have your legs of the table mounted against the wall, so there's no more legs right in the middle. And if you are a taller person and you're knocking your knees against the legs of it, you don't have to worry about it. Located in this slide out is actually kind of like an outdoor rug material, so this is not carpet. Our sale price comes out to be $72,995. And then next to that begins our living room space. You have your theater reclining seats, so they're very comfortable, plush. They also have built-in cup holders, USB attachment, heating, massage, accent lights, and remote control storage. All the way at the back is your sleeper sofa. So extended out, you can have 2 more people sleeping here, and you can still access everything here in the kitchen without limiting space for your kids to sleep in if you wanted to have breakfast made for them. So you don't have to worry about not being able to access everything. End tables on both sides with some cubbies, and you also have power outlets and USB ports. Lots of windows here too with roll down blackout shades, so you can have lots of natural light coming in. Cabinet space up above. And then across from your theater seats begins the entertainment center. All electric fireplace down below, and it actually kicks off some heat. So if you are into that early or late season camping, you can put that on and get a nice little toasty feel. And then you can also change the light colors to them too, like the flame colors. And then just above is the Bluetooth speaker system, so you can put your Blu-rays and DVDs in there, as well as connecting your phone for the outside speakers if you wanted to listen to music while still being outside. Drawer storage, full 4K Ultra HD swivel TV. And then here in this gorgeous kitchen, you have a 50-50 split stainless steel sink with a spray faucet in your island. Storage is down below. And then across the way is your 3-burner stove top with a glass cover, oven, more storage, and countertop space. And back here, you also have a pop-up outlet, so you can use that to plug some small appliances in there if you need to. Residential size microwave with some storage above. Stainless steel residential size refrigerator as well. And then you have this access door. This is something that's very unique for this floor plan. It's really cool. You have a spare room in here, so you can dedicate this for older kids wanting to come stay with you, so they have a little bit more privacy, because the sofa does convert into a sleeping space. You can use it for a nursery or kind of like a home office, place for your pets to go. You have a lot of options for what you want to do with this space. Power outlets, spot for a TV, and then you have storage above, below, and then pretty much all the way around. Built-in shelves. Really awesome space. And before I show you more towards the front, you have your hooks right across from your entrance, so you can grab your keys and go. Cork board for pictures and whatnots, but really awesome space to hang anything up that you want. Above your spare room is the Mid-Bunk, so you can have 2 more people sleeping up here. It's carpeted, plus you have the very fluffy mattress, so it's very comfortable up there. And you also have a capacity of 800 pounds, so few people can sleep up here, no problem. Lights as well, so they can read or stay up late if they want. Cubby storage space, and a ladder that also you can kind of pull out, but then keep it stowed away so that no one is tripping over it. Next to your Mid-Bunk is the in-command system. So through this touchscreen, you can access AC, see how full your tanks are, run your slides, your awning, but they also have an app that you can download for free to be able to do it from your phone. Not too far from your Mid-Bunk is the bathroom. Porcelain foot flush toilet, barn-style sliding door for that extra privacy, and then you have some storage space. Nice sit-down shower with a clear glass door. Skylight plus your vent fan is located on the ceiling. And then you have sink with storage below, power outlet, and a medicine cabinet. All the way towards the front is your master bedroom. You can lift up your mattress for the extra storage underneath. You have some reading lights, windows on both sides, power outlets, and USB ports. All the way at the front is your closet. Really pretty mirror panels for the doors. Clothes rack extends all the way across, as well as the shelf above for maybe some shoes. And then back there is just some extra storage space. I don't know what you could put in there, but maybe your laundry hamper or just something pretty small, trash can. Next to it is more storage, but it's also a spot where you are prepped for a washer and dryer unit. Great big window. And then at the foot of your bed is a dresser with 2 jumbo-sized drawers and then a few extra above. You can place a TV on this countertop space, or you can use it for some decorations. You do have a spot to hang one up if you would rather do that. So there was a lot of sleeping spaces on the inside. Let's cover the outside features. Okay, so here on the outside, you have your Road Armor pin box, accent lights for your front cap, which looks great. And then just below that is a spot for your battery plus some additional storage. 2 propane tanks, one on this side, one on the other. And these are locked. I don't know why, but you have pass-through storage and you have quite a bit of it. And then next to that, you have a capital grill, so you can cook outside if you want, really enjoy the weather. Power outlet to plug anything in that you want, maybe a TV, solid steps leading up into your coach. And this is a 2022 model, so it does have solar panels on them. 2 slide outs, one on the main portion of your camper, the other on your campsite slide. So you really have pretty much 100% covered outdoor living space to enjoy. Outside speakers that you can connect your phone to. But really that covers the Cougar 368 MBI. If you have any questions or concerns, leave a comment, send us a message, and we will get back with you.